We really need to stop teaching old people brain rot because I was at a restaurant the other day, but at the table in front of me, there was a family with 2 kids who were anywhere from 10 to 12 years old. But they were pretty loud, so I could hear the conversations they were having with their parents. And all I can say is, I feel so bad for them. They were teaching them brain rot like how a parent teaches their kid the alphabet. One of the kids was literally like, Dad, say hawk, hawk. Now say Tua, Tua. Now put it all together. Hawk, Tua, hawk, Tua. Then the kids would just start laughing. But that wasn't all, because when the food arrived, one of the kids stole a couple fries from his parents. So his dad was like, hey, don't take my fries, you have your own. But the little kid responded by saying, this is your phantom tax. And you could tell the dad didn't even want to bother learning that phrase, because instead of asking what it meant, he just started eating his own meal while shaking his head in confusion. These older generations must feel so lost.